The judge sent a message today that this type of behavior is something that any potential offender is going to have to consider. The judge obviously took it seriously, which is exactly how we think he should have been with rape.
Good morning. That sentence that was just handed down by this court was obscene. That number was obnoxious. There are murderers who will get out of court faster than Harvey Weinstein will. That number spoke to the pressure of movements and the public. That number did not speak to the evidence that came out at trial. That number did not speak to the testimony that we heard. That number did not speak to evidence, nor did it speak to justice. I am overcome with anger at that number. I think that number is a cowardly number to give. I think the judge caved, just as I believe the jury caved, and I am not happy. I think it was very clear that nothing we did or said today was going to make a difference. I think it shows exactly what has been shown from the beginning with Judge Burke. Judge Burke was already prepared to say and do exactly what he was going to say and do, no matter what we said today. I think it has shown a pattern in this case from the very beginning. Mr. Weinstein really never had a fair shake from day one, and I'm not here to say that he's a victim, and I'm not here to say poor Harvey. But what I am here to say is we were looking for fairness, and we didn't get it.
This is what justice looks like. 20 plus 3 years sentence handed down by Judge Burke this morning, after compelling arguments by the prosecution and after arguments by the defense. And most importantly, after heartfelt victim impact statements. We are living in an age when women are no longer willing to suffer in silence. They are going to be courageous. They are going to be empowered, not just in New York, not just in the United States, but I'm feeling it in many places around the world. Women are going to speak out and demand justice from those who are sexually preying on them, in the workplace, in their home, everywhere, in the sports world, in the entertainment world, in the business world, in the religious world, in every world where they walk. They're going to demand respect and dignity, and most of all, justice, because justice has been far behind in terms of meeting the needs and the rights of women. We can talk out about victimization of women, but unless there's serious consequences for those who commit criminal acts against women, it will mean nothing. And now there are consequences to be remembered, and more potential consequences for Mr. Weinstein in the future. This is a new day. It's a new day for women to know that if you have courage, there will be consequences for the predators who hurt you. So for the predators who are going to wake up in fear tomorrow and say, are they coming after me next? My answer is probably yes.
Okay.
I hope that the sentence sends a clear message that times have changed and that more women need to speak out for themselves and that men and women need to speak out for each other. We need to show self-love and empathy to overcome centuries of illogical thinking that has normalized the sexual mistreatment of women. This is hopefully just the beginning, and the conversation must continue, and I thank you guys for continuing the conversation. Appreciate you all. Thank you.